Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Alphabet is probably one of the most versatile and engaging educational tools available for young learners, offering a fantastic way to introduce children to the building blocks of language and reading in a fun and interactive manner. This set is designed to capture a child's attention with its bright colors and tactile nature, making the process of learning letters feel more like playtime than a lesson. It's an investment in early literacy that pays dividends as children develop crucial skills, setting them on a path for academic success and a lifelong love of learning. Number 5. Gamenote Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. Introducing the Gamenote Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit, a comprehensive set designed to make learning fun and engaging for young children. It's perfect for early education. This kit includes 238 pieces, featuring uppercase and lowercase letters in 8 vibrant colors. It also comes with a double-sided dry erase board, pens, and an eraser for interactive learning. Crafted from soft-touch EVA foam, each letter is full-covered with a magnet on the back for safety and durability. They are washable and perfect for little hands to grip. Keep everything tidy with the included storage box, which has labeled compartments for easy organization. It's convenient for learning at home or on the go. Ideal for teaching phonics, CVC words, and sentence building, this set supports children's literacy development from preschool through elementary school. Developed with input from educators and parents, every aspect is tailored for young learners. It's suitable for children aged 3 and up, with adult supervision recommended for the youngest. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive learning experience with full-cover foam magnets that are safe and easy to handle. The double-sided dry erase board adds an interactive element for writing and drawing. If you're looking for a complete kit that includes everything needed for phonics and CVC practice, especially for small group activities, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The letters are a good size for little hands to grasp and manipulate. The bright colors and clear letter shapes make them visually appealing and easy to identify. These are great for teaching letter recognition and early spelling skills. Number 4. Learning Resources Smart Snacks Alpha Pops. These 2-piece pops are designed to help little ones strengthen their hand muscles and improve coordination. They are perfectly sized for small hands to grasp and manipulate. Children can engage in fun learning by matching lowercase letters to their uppercase counterparts, and vice versa. It's a playful way to build early literacy skills. The set comes with 26 double-sided pops, offering a wide variety of letter combinations for extended learning and play. This ensures hours of educational fun. Each pop is thoughtfully sized at 4 inches by 1.25 inches, making them ideal for toddlers and preschoolers. They are easy to hold and manage for developing fine motor skills. Looking for a fun and educational gift? These letter learning pops make a wonderful stocking stuffer or holiday present for young children. They provide both entertainment and learning. What we like? These pops are designed for little hands, making them perfect for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. If your child enjoys hands-on matching activities and you want a fun way to introduce uppercase and lowercase letters, these are a great option. They are also a fantastic stocking stuffer or small gift. What people say. The letters are thick and sturdy, making them easy for little hands to grasp and manipulate. Each letter is a different color, which helps with visual recognition and sorting. The set includes both uppercase and lowercase letters, providing a comprehensive learning tool. Number 3. Learning Resources Alphabet Acorns Activity Set. Unlock early literacy with this engaging alphabet toy. It features uppercase and lowercase letters to boost phonics and letter recognition for toddlers and children aged 3 and up. Watch as children twist, match, and open these acorns. This action helps build coordination and cognitive skills, making it an ideal Montessori toy for early writing development. Use this set for a variety of games, including matching, alphabet recognition, and color sorting. It's a versatile educational tool perfect for home or classroom settings. Each acorn holds a surprise object, reinforcing sounds and word learning. These engaging toys make phonics fun and memorable for young learners. This comprehensive 78-piece set is perfect for daycares, preschools, or home use. These durable educational toys are designed for children aged 3 and up. What we like? This set encourages cognitive skills through a unique twist-and-match mechanism, with each acorn revealing a surprise object to reinforce learning. If you are looking for a Montessori-inspired toy that makes phonics and letter recognition engaging and memorable, especially for children who benefit from tactile and surprise elements, these Acorns are ideal. What people say. The letters are thick and sturdy, perfect for little hands. My child loves the bright colors and the way the letters fit into the board. This is a great way to introduce the alphabet and practice letter recognition. Number 2. Learning resources. Snap and learn letter Llamas. Meet our adorable llama friends. They are here to help your child discover new letters and practice early color matching. It's a fun way to start learning. These playful llamas make learning both uppercase and lowercase letters an engaging experience. Your child will master the alphabet in no time. Every time your child snaps these llamas together, they're building essential fine motor skills. It's a hands-on activity that promotes development. When playtime is over, simply store all the llamas neatly in their included reusable plastic tub. Keeping things tidy has never been easier. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These educational toys are perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion. Give the gift of learning and discover new fun every time. What we like. These adorable llamas snap together, offering a fun way to learn letters and practice color matching while building fine motor skills. If you want a visually appealing and tactile toy that stores neatly in its own tub, making it great for on-the-go learning or tidy play spaces, these llamas are a wonderful choice. What people say. The letters are thick and durable, perfect for little hands to grasp and manipulate. Each letter has a corresponding picture and word on it, which helps with letter recognition and early vocabulary development. The set includes both uppercase and lowercase letters, providing a comprehensive learning experience. Number 1. Learning resources. Snap and learn ABC elephants. Get ready for an alphabet adventure. These colorful elephants help your child discover early letter sounds and language skills. It's a fantastic way to introduce the alphabet. Beyond just learning the ABCs, your child can use these friends to spell simple words. This supports early literacy and makes reading games fun for toddlers. These engaging toys are perfect for building vocabulary. They make spelling and letter matching exciting for preschool learning activities. With easy-to-grab plastic pieces, little hands can develop fine motor skills and coordination. Snapping the trunks and tails together is a hands-on learning experience. This educational toy offers a fun and interactive way to learn. It's designed to make learning the alphabet and building words an enjoyable process for young children. Designed for toddlers, these elephants are easy to hold and manipulate. They provide a tactile and engaging way to learn essential early skills. What we like. This set allows children to string together colorful elephants to learn letters, build simple words, and encourage vocabulary development. If you are looking for a toy that supports early literacy, phonics, and language skills for younger children, ages 2+, and you appreciate a hands-on approach to spelling and word building, these elephants are a fantastic pick. What people say. The letters are thick and sturdy, perfect for little hands to grasp and manipulate. This set is fantastic for teaching letter recognition and early phonics skills. The vibrant colors and clear letter shapes make learning engaging and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.